Hello, my name is Viviana Mena Cogollo. Your materializing for face-to-face environments tutor de Matheus. Exam final, question 1. How will you use a video to teach in face-to-face environments? The use of technological tools in the classroom is a great support to motivate or generate curiosity in the student. From my point of view, it will use a short and catchy video that allows you to motivate and understand what you want to know about the team. Question 2. What language skill will you practice by using this tool in face-to-face class? How will you do it? I will practice the great majority of language skills. For example, if a student consumes a video, there is was practicing listening, and by was he observe the student could write what saw and the 10 socialists. There is evidence of writing and speaking. Question 3, excuse me. Which competencies is easier to use video for face-to-face environments? Okay. The answer, they use videos in face-to-face environments is important because a fundamental interest in communication reflects the great majority of competencies will be easy to use to strengthen language skills. In a video, you can observe or see the communication reflected, read, listen, and even give place to tell grammar where the sender sends a direct message and the listener hears his own knowledge. Thank you very much.